Hello guys, Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi device that needs a screen replacement. This is the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. So let's check out the device and see what happened to this one. So a typical cracks and bruises on the front display, which means this device has been dropped and tumbled on the ground as it went down because of the cracks on the four corners of the device. So we remove the back glass, the back cover with a connected flex cable. So this is a fairly easy operation so far, and we remove all the internals, especially the shroud. This one covers the motherboard of the device, and to gain access to all the flex cable connectors for the battery and the display, we have to remove that one. And through this we can remove the battery, flex cable, and the old display flex cable from the connector. And then we can test the new screen right here. This is the replacement screen, and you can see that it works. So this is a good sign in every screen replacement repair. If it doesn't work in here, it may not be worth replacing the screen altogether, since there may be problems inside the device except for the broken screen. So maybe you have a cracked motherboard or a faulty battery, so you might need to diagnose that further. So as you can see, it responds to touch at this stage, so we can continue with a proper disassembly. So the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite needs to have the battery removed in order to remove the old screen. So you have the old screen here. We can just yank it out carefully still, and you can see that it's still held on by adhesives. So look at that shiny back. So it's like an aluminum foil, and we clean up the sides of it from old adhesives. As you can see, the new screen will not be installed flushed if the old adhesives are still there. So as we install the new screen with a new adhesive, it's just a matter of taking your time. This is a real time speed, by the way, so in order to show you how much time it takes to replace the old broken screen of the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. And the reason why we remove that battery is because the flex cable, the flat cable, is underneath the battery, unlike other smartphones. And we put the battery back in, and the motherboard shroud, and that's it. We don't really need to remove the motherboard since it's attached to the main housing, and it doesn't affect the extraction of the old screen. And we try to turn it on, and it works. So far so good. So if you have a Xiaomi with a broken screen or a broken battery that's not really performing like it's brand new, you can take it to Sydney CBD Repair Center and we can fix it for you. We also offer repairs for iPhones, smartwatches, and tablets. And we are not really catering just to one brand. We have almost repaired every other device that you can find in the market right now. We also repair ROG smartphones from Asus. If you have a gaming phone like that and you dropped it and you have a cracked display, you can visit our shop or send it to us, and we can fix it for you and send it back via mail. So this one right here, if you're wondering, are just clamps, temporary clamps, since the adhesives are still wet and we need to have it cured for at least 30 minutes so that when the client uses it outside of the shop, it will not just fall out of the device. And we can see that it charges normally and it shows the Xiaomi logo. And we just wait for it to cure and we remove the clamps. Sometimes we use rubber bands for other devices, but this time we use clamps to make it stick together really well. And it looks like it's ready for delivery to the client. It's just a matter of a few testing, a few wipes. And if you like this video, guys, click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel or like us on Facebook. We post a lot of repair videos on those platforms. Till next time, cheers!